Hi, welcome to this video. Today's video, I'll show you how to remove a background of a video that you want to remove. Maybe you have a good content or a great content that you want to trend on the media, but because of your lighting system or the background that you use to make your video is not good for people to see. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove and change the background and set it as what you want to use it on your YouTube video or any social media platform that you want to use. So let's jump into the screen. Make sure you like and subscribe into this channel. To remove the background of a video, you need some background that you want to use. So I want you to go to this website, that's Bezel app or freepix.com, and download any background that you want to use. Pixels and Fixes provide a free background or a free images that you can use on your video without any copyright strikes. So you can go in and download any background that you want to use. After you have downloaded the background, make sure you go and download these apps on your PC or on your phone. That's all, the KitKat. That's what we are going to use. After you have downloaded KitKat app, make sure you open the app on your phone or on your PC and click on create a new project. After clicking a new project, we are going to bring our project into this side, that's all, the media platform, and bring it to our timeline and start editing our video. Make sure you click on import, go to where the videos that you want to remove the background and the background that you want to use. So for me, I want to use this background and this video, so I go into open. So this is the video, my video I want to use. I click on the video, drag and drop it to my timeline, and let's play the video. So as you can see, my background, so I want to change this background and use this background for the video. So what I will do is click on the media here, okay, on the timeline. Make sure you click on it and come here. We have a basic, we have cutout, max, and enhance. So I click on cutout. If you click on cutout, you scroll down, you see where auto cutout. So click on the auto cutout. If you click on the auto cutout, you will see it start what. So the processing, make sure you wait for it to start everything, to finish everything. Wait for it to finish everything, because if you start doing other stuff, sometimes the video and the background will not match, it will change. So make sure you wait for it to start, to complete everything for you. So now, as you can see, my background has now changed. My background has now changed. So I need to go in and apply or add a new background that I want to use. So let me play the video for you to see. So you can see the reason why there is a bringing of light is here, is that the reason that why there is a light bringing out there is that when I was removing the background, I used to do something on here, though that's why it didn't complete it successfully. So that's why I was telling you that when you are doing it, make sure you leave it to complete everything so that you get your background nice and correct. So we are now going to bring our background, which is this one. So I come into my video, click and drag it into the top, okay, and then go to the background, click on the background and drag the background to the down there, and let me stretch the background to fill the whole screen, the size of the video. So now let me make sure the background fit the screen. Okay, so as you can see, my background has now changed. My background has now changed. So if you see the background and the video, you can see there's a difference in it. So to make sure my background matches the video, I can blur the background. Okay, so you come in and click on the background and then host, go in and then apply your settings to make sure the background become blur and do stuff. So let's go to the capacity and then make sure you drag it small. Let's see. So as you can see, the background has now changed. So you can use all this method to apply to your video and get a lot of videos trending everywhere. Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. I make video on how to make money online, affiliate marketing and importation. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video. If you have any question, put it in the description. See you in the next video.